Here's exactly how I'd make $10,000 per month all over again if I had to start from scratch. Like, let's say I burnt all my money, I lost all my followers, what would I do? The first thing I'd start with is reverse engineering my goal. So let's say I wanted to make 10k in the next 30 days. If I put a gun to your head and you absolutely had to make 10k in the next 30 days, not 31 days, 30 days only, otherwise you and all of your family members were going to die, what would you do? What would be the quickest, smartest path to making that 10 grand? Selling a high-ticket digital product around a painful problem. In any business, there's different types of products you can sell. There's two big categories, digital products and physical products. Now, physical products, you already know what it is. It's a book, it's a mouse, it's a microphone. Anything that you see around you is a physical product. The big advantage of physical products is that they have inherent value. For example, you buy a computer mouse because you need to use it. It has value itself. And people typically use it, they keep it, they like it, that's it. And people can buy more of those. For example, this mouse, I bought it recently because my previous one stopped working, so I have to buy it again and again and again. Great physical products are things like, for example, water, because people need to keep buying water all the time, or razors to shave. But the physical product business is a very difficult business to get into, because you need at least 50k, if we're being conservative, to more realistically a few $100,000 to start your e-commerce brand. Now, some people will tell you, oh no, you can sell physical products with business models like dropshipping, where basically you find a trendy product on social media like TikTok, whatever, and then you find that product on AliExpress or Wish, these cheap sites, and then you make a store and you resell it on your store. And then you use advertising, like you pay influencers, you make Facebook ads, etc. to get customers. It's one of the first businesses I ever tried, and let me tell you, it's not what it's cracked up to be. Profit margins are very small. Most people never get sales because they don't even have enough money to advertise their products. And then there's so many problems to deal with. Long shipping times, manufacturing issues, people buying the wrong thing and then you need to resend them to the fucking manufacturer. It's a nightmare. Ad accounts getting banned all the time. Influencers not agreeing to your rates, fucking up the whole promotion. And not to mention, you need to get tons of customers. Hundreds, if not thousands, just to make 10k per month in profit. On average, with physical products, profit margins are 5 to 20%. So even if you did manage to make $10,000 per month consistently, it's only revenue, not profit that goes directly in your pocket. In terms of profit, for every $10,000 you make with physical products, you're going to keep 5 to 20%, which translates into $500 to 2k maximum. So it's not that much. Unless you're making huge numbers like 100k per month, physical products are not really worth it if your goal is to just make more money and enjoy your life and spend some money on things that you want. Instead, it's much smarter to sell digital products. Digital products are things like ebooks, online courses, high-ticket programs, coaching sessions, even softwares. Softwares are very, very difficult to build, to sell, and to scale. So if you're a beginner, you haven't made at least $1 million in profit, don't worry about starting a software company. Just don't. Your chances of success are extremely slim, and you also need a ton of money to start a software company. So worry about that kind of business model later. The best thing you can sell with the highest amount of profit, the least amount of work, is online courses, high-ticket programs, and monthly memberships, like school communities, skool.com. But if we only have 30 days to make 10k, then out of all of these different digital products, we've got to ask ourselves, which one is going to make me the most money the fastest? And the answer is easily high-ticket programs. Why? Because a high-ticket program is sold for 1k to 10k plus. There's no limit, but there is a minimum, which is 1k. So let's say we sold a high-ticket program for $1,000. We'd only need 10 customers to make 10k. And the most important part is 90 to 95% of that would be profit in our pocket. Whereas if we try to sell a physical product, we'd need hundreds of sales in the next 30 days to only make $500 to $2,000 in profit out of $10,000. Now, if you want me to mentor you and to show you step by step how I've made thousands of dollars per day in profit selling online courses passively and high-ticket programs, as soon as you're done watching this video, click the link in the description below and apply for a free call. If it's a good fit, you'll get the chance to join my premium mentorship program where I'm going to teach you everything step by step until you reach financial freedom. But do it quickly because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast, and I don't know for how long I'm going to keep making this offer. Now you may be wondering, Okay, I'm gonna sell a high ticket program, but what's it gonna be about? And how are people gonna pay me at least 1 grand? You can sell high ticket programs in any kind of niche. The key is to make it about a specific painful problem. For example, if you're just going to help people to have a nice pretty garden, you're never gonna be able to charge 1 grand for that, or even more than that, because it's not a painful problem. You're selling a vitamin, a nice to have, instead of selling a painkiller, a must have. However, if you were to help people who are on the brink of divorce to actually stay together, now that's worth thousands of dollars because so much pain comes from a divorce and also money lost. If you were to help insomniacs to have better sleep, you could charge 1K because it's literally ruining their life. The transformation is big. Now, if you think that there's really nothing you can make a high ticket program around, then simply sell a monthly membership or an online course that sells passively. You won't charge as much, but you can get more customers passively without having to take sales calls, and on top of that, you can make it about any topic. Like you can sell a gardening course or a gardening community for $20 a month. Nowadays, it's insane because you can make money doing what you love, sharing your passion with the world. How crazy is that? We've never had that kind of opportunity ever. Now look, you've been sold the lie that if you want to make more money, you need to work longer and harder. Well, that's just not true. It is true if you just follow the traditional path, the 9 to 5 path. You have to slowly climb the corporate ladder for decades until you reach that sweet 6 figures a year mark, if you even reach it in the first place, because most people never will. But you have to understand that the wealthiest people you see living the life you dream of on social media, they're not working more than you. In fact, they probably work a lot less than you do. You're struggling working 40, 50, 80 hours a week in your job, making 20K to 70K a year if you're lucky, while they work only a couple hours a week, 5 to 15 hours a week, and they're making multiple millions per year in profit. Can you see the difference? The reason they're able to make so much money and you're not is because they picked the right opportunity, starting an online business and more precisely, making content on social media, selling online courses and high-ticket programs. That's what I've done, and that's why I've been able to make thousands of dollars per day in profit at the age of 21, 22. And I come from the low middle class, by the way. So if you think I'm just this lucky rich kid who had everything handed to him on a silver platter, well, you sure as hell don't know me, buddy. An education, social media-based business is the easiest, most enjoyable, lowest maintenance business you could ever start. All you've got to do is to have a product, a digital product, which is extremely high profit. You make content about it on social media. Technically, if you don't want to show your face, you don't have to. I suggest you do, because people will trust you more, relate to you more if they see a human face. But that being said, tons of accounts are faceless, you don't ever see a face, and they make a ton of money. So it shouldn't limit you unless you let it, unless you use it as an excuse to not get started. But the best thing you can do is to build a personal brand, and then you sell digital products. And then, when you start to make a ton of money, like $1 million a year, for example, if you want to start a software company, or if you want to start an e-commerce brand, you can do it. You've got the capital and the influence to do it. So now it's so much easier to succeed with that. For example, everybody knows Mr. Beast, right? He literally built a $100 million fast food brand and chocolate bar brand. But if he had been nobody, if he hadn't been Mr. Beast with hundreds of millions of subscribers and views on social media, if he had just been Jimmy Donaldson, a recent graduate with an average job, do you think he would have been able to build these $100 million brands that young? Obviously not. It's only been possible because he has a strong personal brand. People have been looking for the Midas touch all of their lives. Touching something and then it turns into gold. Having a personal brand is exactly that. It's very hard to not make money from a personal brand unless you're a complete retard. Anything you release pretty much is gonna sell like hotcakes, just because people like you and trust you and feel like they know you. I mean, Mr. Beast brand, Feastables, it's chocolate bars, they sold out faster than Hershey's, which is an established chocolate company. It's been around for a long, long time. Now, if the goal is to make 10K in the next 30 days or as quickly as we possibly can, because we have a gun to our head, how do we do it? Do we spend months building a product and then we sell it? Of course not, you don't have the time for that. And even if you do have the time, it's not smart to build a product before you sell it. For 2 reasons. First, if nobody ends up buying your product, you just wasted months of your life. And maybe hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, if you invested also in the physical product or the digital product. And on top of that, you're gonna make a product and you don't know how people are gonna respond to it yet. For example, you don't know if the way that you structured your course is going to be right. Maybe you'll start getting your first customers and they tell you, oh, I wish this was included in the course. Or, oh, you talk about this, but I don't really need this. It's irrelevant. Then you realize, oh shit, if I had just listened to them, to my customers first, sold it before I built it, it would have been so much easier and the product would have been better from the start. It would have gotten people better results and made more money. So when we sell our digital product before we build it, we take the best part of affiliate marketing, which usually fails as a business model because people don't understand how it works. They think they can just have a 10% commission and run cold ads and then they're gonna get rich. It doesn't work, believe me. If you don't believe me, try it and lose 10 grand. And then you'll come back to me, you'll say, oh, well, actually you were right. Yeah, I know. And then honestly, all you have to do to get extremely rich, making multiple 6 figures a year, multiple 7 figures a year, is to just post content on a topic you're passionate about, sell a digital product around it, and you do that for the next 5 to 10 years, and you will literally make more money than 99% of people ever will. Most people just don't have the guts to do it. They have so many damn excuses. They would rather try some bullshit dropshipping business and stay broke because they're not willing to overcome their fears, to share their passion with the world. If that's you, I can't help you. You've got to overcome your own mental limitations. This is literally the most enjoyable business model ever. So what are you waiting for? You can literally get started today, but I can guarantee you most people won't because they don't have the balls to do anything. If you want to get the chance to learn from me directly, apply to book a free call in the description below. If we're a good fit, you'll get the chance to join my premium mentorship program where I'm going to teach you step by step how we sell passive online courses and high ticket programs and how we can make 10K per month and way more than that in reality doing that. That way you can turn your knowledge, your interests, something you're passionate about into a full-blown business that makes you fulfilled and rich. And you only need to work 5 to 15 hours a week on it. Now spots fill up very fast because since I'm doing it myself, I only have a couple spots available and I don't have time to speak with everyone, unfortunately. So click the link in the description below, book your call before I no longer make that offer. And with that said, I'll see you on the other side.